Thinking of going solar? You might want to act fast. The solar tax credits that have saved American homeowners thousands are changing, and time is running out to lock in maximum benefits. In this video, we break down exactly what's happening, what it means for you, and why 2025 could be a critical year for your solar decision. First, let's break it down. The federal solar tax credit, also called the investment tax credit or ITC, allows homeowners to deduct a percentage of their solar system costs from their federal taxes. In 2024, that number is 30%. So a $20,000 solar system can give you a $6,000 tax break. But this benefit won't last forever. The credit starts to expire gradually beginning in 2033. Now the big question, are these credits ending? Technically yes, starting in 2033, the 30% credit drops to 26%, and then 22% in 2034. After 2034, unless Congress acts, it's gone for residential installations. That's why 2024 and 2025 are such important years for going solar. Electricity prices are climbing, and states like California and Texas are pushing time-of-use rates and grid fees. Battery storage is becoming more common, but it adds cost. These tax credits help make the full system, panels plus batteries, affordable. Lose the tax credit and your ROI takes a hit. If you're even considering solar, 2024 and 2025 are your window. Get quotes now, compare offers, and talk to a tax advisor. And remember, the system must be installed by the end of the year to qualify, not just ordered. Plus, don't forget your state might offer extra savings. Places like New York, Illinois, and Massachusetts have their own solar programs, some worth thousands more. Combine that with federal credits and you could slash your total cost in half. Solar tax credits aren't gone yet, but they won't be here forever. If you're ready to take control of your energy bills and build a greener future, now is the time to act.